Happy vegan mask. It's the brightening moisture mask. So this is jam-packed full of amazing vegan ingredients like carrots, licorice root, rosemary, grapefruit oil, tomatoes, and some awesome vegan ingredients. So first thing you want to do is make sure you wash your face and then apply a nice toner to it. And then this is super easy to apply. Let me show you. So you just open up the package here, and it's a really nice sheet mask. It has a really nice aroma. You can really smell the grapefruit there. Oh yeah. So once you open it, you can kind of unfold it, and the moisture mask serum is right on the sheet, and then you put it right on your face and leave it there for about 20 minutes. Let me show you. So this is really cool. So it kind of looks like a Halloween mask. but no, this is great. Sometimes you know, the holes might not be big enough. You might need to like make them a little bigger, but basically put it right on your face here and leave this space for your eyes and your nose and your mouth. And then the serum that's in the sheet you can spread around on your face. You can put some on your neck, on the back of your hands. But yeah, this feels really nice. It's not irritating to my skin at all. And it feels really moisturizing. My skin is going to feel and look amazing after this. But yeah, it's really nice and rich. It's not like, doesn't feel like thick or greasy. It feels really nice and moisturizing and calm and relaxing. So you want to leave this on your face for about 20 minutes so you can like just walk around the house or like take a meditation break for 20 minutes. But then afterwards, you just peel it right off. But don't rinse. Don't rinse. So when you peel it off, if there's like extra, I mean, you'll feel that there might be some extra serum on your face, just rub it in or just kind of like dab it in or around, massage it in. You could do your face, neck, upward movement, at the back of your neck, upper chest. But yeah, this is super convenient because the ingredients are right in there for you, and your face is going to feel amazing and look amazing. So check it out for yourself. Some amazing ingredients. Happy vegan.